Hi kids! Today we're going to learn about the United States of America using this cool puzzle. The United States is where I live. Do you live in the United States too? If you don't live in the United States, have you ever visited? Did you know that there are 50 US states altogether? Wow, that's a lot of states. Today we're going to learn what area of the country each state is located and a couple of fun facts. But first, let's take a look at all the different directions here on our map. Up on top here, this is called north. Over here to the right, this is the east. Down here is the south, and way over here on the left is west. North, east, south, west. If you go between north and east, you have an area of our country called the Northeast. Let's take a closer look. This puzzle piece combines 6 states. Altogether, it's known as New England. The biggest state in New England is Maine, and it happens to be orange. Maine is located way up at the top, and it's known for its lobster. Do you like to eat lobster? Next to Maine is New Hampshire in the purple. New Hampshire is known as the Granite State. And then next to that is Vermont in the green. Vermont is known for its maple syrup. Do you like to put maple syrup on your pancakes? Down here in the blue is Massachusetts. The capital of Massachusetts is Boston. It's kind of hard to see, but over here in the yellow is Rhode Island. Rhode Island is actually the smallest state in the whole United States. And down here in the red, that is Connecticut. Connecticut is known as the Constitution State. Those are all the New England states. Let's keep going. This next state is New York, and it happens to be yellow. New York is known for the Statue of Liberty. Have you ever visited the Statue of Liberty? It's so tall. Next we have Pennsylvania, which is green. In Pennsylvania, they have something called the Liberty Bell. It's got a big crack in it. This next piece combines 3 states. First we have New Jersey here in the purple. New Jersey is known as the diner capital of the world. Do you like to eat at diners? Next to that is Delaware here in the blue. Delaware was the first US state. And over here to the left is Maryland in orange. Maryland is known for its sailing, which is why there's a sailboat right here on it. All right, we covered all the states in the Northeast. Let's move on to the area of our map down here. This is known as the South. Our first state from the South is Virginia, and it happens to be purple. Virginia has a state slogan, which is Virginia is for lovers. Up here at the top of Virginia, you'll see a star. That's called Washington, D.C., or District of Columbia. Washington, D.C. is the capital of the entire United States. It's also where the president lives. Up next is West Virginia, and it happens to be red. West Virginia is known for its coal mining. This state is called North Carolina, and it happens to be blue. North Carolina has a very famous lighthouse. Pictured here, it's called Old Baldy. This state is South Carolina, and it happens to be orange. This tree right here is called a palmetto. It's South Carolina's state tree. This state is Kentucky, and it happens to be green. Over here you can see there's a man on a horse. That's That's because Kentucky is known for a very famous horse race called the Kentucky Derby. This state in yellow is called Tennessee. You'll see these music notes over here because Tennessee is known for country music. This state is called Georgia, and it happens to be red. Georgia is known for growing lots and lots of peanuts. Here we have Alabama, and it happens to be green. Alabama is known for growing lots and lots of cotton. You probably have a lot of clothes that are made of cotton. This state is called Mississippi, and it happens to be purple. Mississippi is known for its steamboats. Have you ever rode a steamboat? This state is called Florida, and it happens to be blue. Florida is the southeasternmost state in the United States. You'll see right here there's a picture of oranges. That's because Florida is known for growing lots of oranges. Do you like to drink orange juice for breakfast? This state is Louisiana, and it's red. Louisiana has a trumpet pictured on it because it's known for jazz music. This state is called Arkansas, and it's blue. This bird pictured here in Arkansas is called a mockingbird. The mockingbird is Arkansas's state bird. This state is called Texas, and it happens to be green. Texas is one of the biggest states in the US. Texas is known for its cowboy boots, longhorns, and a famous place called the Alamo. And the last state of the south area of the United States is Oklahoma, and it happens to be yellow. Right here you'll see a picture of a bison. The bison is Oklahoma's state animal. Have you ever seen a bison? All right, let's move on to the next area of the United States. Since we were already over here in the east and we're now moving west, we would call this middle part of the United States the Midwest. Let's check it out. This green state is called Michigan. Over here is Michigan's state bird, a robin. Can you tweet like a robin? This state is called Ohio, and it happens to be blue. Lots of people in Ohio love to play and watch football. And there's a picture of a football right here. This orange state is called Indiana. Indiana has a race car on it because it's known for a very famous car race called the Indy 500. This next state is Wisconsin, and it happens to be blue. Wisconsin is known for making lots and lots of cheese. Do you like to eat cheese on your pizza? This state is Illinois, and it happens to be purple. Illinois is home to one of the tallest buildings in the world. It's called Willis Tower. This next state is Minnesota, and it happens to be red. Minnesota is known for having lots and lots of ducks, which is why you'll see one right here. This yellow state is Iowa. Iowa is known for having lots and lots of pigs. Can you oink like a pig? This next state is Missouri, and it happens to be red. Over here, you'll see a picture of something called the Gateway Arch. It's a very famous place in Missouri. This orange state is called North Dakota. North Dakota is known for having lots and lots of squirrels. Do you like to watch the squirrels in your backyard? This state is called South Dakota, and it happens to be blue. Over here is a picture of a famous place in South Dakota called Mount Rushmore. This green state is called Nebraska. Nebraska is known for growing lots and lots of corn. Do you like to eat corn on the cob? And our last state in the Midwest is Kansas, and it happens to be purple. Over here is a picture of wheat. That's because Kansas is known as the wheat state. All right, looks like we're running a little low on states here. Let's move on to the next area of the United States. This area is called the West. Let's check it out. This green state is called Montana. Montana is known for having lots and lots of grizzly bears. Can you growl like a grizzly bear? This yellow state is called Wyoming. There's a famous place in Wyoming called Yellowstone National Park. This picture right here is a geyser known as Old Faithful. This state is called Colorado, and it happens to be red. Colorado is known for having lots of big mountains called the Rockies. This purple state is called New Mexico, known for growing lots and lots of chili peppers. Be careful if you ever try a chili pepper, they can be really spicy. This state is called Idaho, and it happens to be red. Idaho is known for growing a lot of potatoes. Do you like to eat French fries? So do I. This green state is called Utah. Utah grows lots and lots of cherries. Do you like to eat cherries? This orange state is called Arizona. Arizona is known for a very famous place called the Grand Canyon. It's like a really big hole in the ground. And Arizona is also known for these. They're called cactus or cacti. If you're talking about more than one, they can be really pointy and sharp, so watch out. This orange state, it's called Washington. Washington is known for a very, very tall building called the Space Needle. This purple state is called Oregon. Oregon is known for its beavers. This state is called Nevada, and it happens to be blue. Nevada has a very famous place called Red Rock Canyon. It's also known for being really, really hot and dry. And this yellow state is our last one that's located in the West, and it's called California. California has a really famous bridge called the Golden Gate Bridge. It's also known for its really great surfing. Have you ever gone surfing in the ocean? Cowabunga, dudes! All right, looks like we've learned about almost the whole entire United States, but we still have 2 states left, and they're located off of what is called the mainland. Let's take a look. First, we have Alaska. Alaska happens to be red. Alaska is located way up north by Canada. It can get really cold up there. Over here you can see a picture of a polar bear. Alaska's got lots of those. Last but not least is a state called Hawaii. Hawaii is located way down south and west of the mainland of the United States. It's in the middle of the ocean, and unlike Alaska, it's really warm and sunny. Hawaii is a string of islands called an archipelago. Can you say that? Archipelago. Hawaii is also known for growing lots and lots of pineapple. Do you like pineapple? Me too. All right, we did it. We learned a little bit about each of the 50 United States of America. Thanks so much for playing with me. Hope you had fun. Hope to see you again next time. Bye!